Hello, it's Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. I'm here to talk to you about my favorite green drink, and we'll call it the Green Blaster. Everything that we do at Metropolitan Cosmetics is about an internal and an external balance, polish and shine to work towards perfection. Perfection on so many levels: physical, emotional, spiritual. So this beautiful drink is going to do the following. It's going to help us put all our internal organs, if you like, through the wishy-washy. And I like to do it twice a day. We're going to make it delicious and we're going to make it easy, and we start with the lemon. Now, one I've peeled and the other I'm going to peel for you so you can see my special technique in peeling. This kind of action, firstly, is irritating because we don't get the job done properly and we could cut ourselves. So what I like to do is I top and tail my lemon, like so, and then I peel on the curve. One gets all the pith off. It's a real 1, 2, 3, makes life easy. Now the lemon is a wonderful fruit in that it's not high in calories at all. It's highly cleansing, which is important. It's highly alkaline, which is the other important thing. It cleans the kidneys, and with that I mean it dissolves the oxalates that could accumulate into kidney stones. The other thing that it does is it allows for better absorption of iron in the body, and that is important. So per NutriBullet we want 1 full lemon. We're doing 2 because sharing is caring. In they go. So now we've got our lemons. My next step is going to be celery. And now we're not playing games, okay? We're not just giving one finger. Per NutriBullet, I want a substantial amount of celery. Now celery, it's green. We've got flavonoids in there, lots of quercetin. Very, very good for our heart, our kidneys, our liver. Lowering cholesterol, so literally you're going to be putting your arteries through the wishy-washy. Very fibrous, high in water, high in potassium. Potassium we love, okay? Also going to get rid of any nasty puff around the eyes. We don't want that, that never looks tidy. So many times you've got puff under your eyes, you think, oh, what must I do, what must I do? Potassium, and potassium is very, very high in our celery and also in the other herbs I'm about to discuss with you. Now, we're not doing spinach today, we're doing coriander and we're doing parsley. I start with parsley. Now, beautiful and green, lots of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll equals oxygen being carried through the system, through the blood, through hemoglobin. So per NutriBullet, it's like so. Parsley, pop it in, high in vitamins A, C, vitamin K. Very, very good for the bones. So we've got bone health going on there. Then from there, coriander. Both parsley and coriander are very, very antibacterial. So excellent for the skin. So important with us with masks on and whatnot. We need as much help as we can get. So again, we're not playing games with the coriander. But before I put that in, green drinks must taste nice. So xylitol. I put 2 teaspoons. There we go, about right. Just right. Coriander, give it a good push. The more the merrier. In it goes. And what you find with these herbs is all of a sudden the texture of your skin looks different. Pores diminish. You get almost like a porcelain type glow. Wonderful. From there I'm going to add my water to about half. see, but I've filled it to about there. Right, we're about to blitz it. And you know, with blitzing, we macerate everything, releasing the easy water, which is, if you like, water with a charge, gel-like. Our cells are able to take it in. So effectively, we're oxygenating, deep cleansing, putting nutrients, flavonoids, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, lowering our GI, and very important, one thing I almost forgot, the lemon contains soluble pectin. So it gives a feeling of fullness. Very, very good when we're watching our calories. Be back in a minute. Green magic. Right, so here it is. The other very important thing about parsley is so aromatic that it absorbs any negative odors in the body. So I always say it's not tidy not to smell beautiful. Beautiful breath. You never smell funny if you're perspiring. So an anti-inflammatory, beautifying miracle drink twice a day. Let me give it the taste. It's also quite vavavoom. Thumbs up.